Hey Grayson, can you give me your superhero sound?
No.
Why not? Can you do it?
No.
Please? Can you say Spider-Man? Can you? Why not? Will you say Spider-Man?
No.
And then make the sound? Make the superhero sound? There we go. Can you fly like Superman? Will you fly? Good job. Can you say Spider-Man for me? You're a busy little boy, you know that? There we go. So it didn't show up on camera, but that's okay. Mommy knows you said Spider-Man.
Ma.
Yeah?
No.
It's alright, I'll get it in a minute.
Ma.
What, honey? Yeah, it's camera.
Yes.
Yeah, your superhero sound. Uh-huh. Can you fly back over here? Beyond cute. Yes, indeed. All right.
Nice.
Can you say hi to Ga? Wave? Can you wave?
Watch.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it off.
No.
I'm gonna turn the camera off.
No.
Just wave. There you go. Stinker.